Are you tired of juggling multiple tools while wiring or crimping? Meet the Multifunctional Wire Stripper, your all-in-one solution for cutting, stripping, twisting, and crimping like a pro. Designed for electricians and DIYers alike, this foldable stainless steel powerhouse delivers precision, durability, and effortless performance. Make every job faster, cleaner, and more efficient with one smart tool that does it all. Practical multifunctional wire strippers meets the requirements of various electricians' operations for efficient wire cutting, pulling, breaking, and winding. No need to change the pliers frequently during use, which improves the working efficiency and is a perfect tool for electricians and DIY enthusiasts. If you're enjoying the content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe.